We bought one of Rosie Rummy one. This is your friend James, and this is, of course, a Keurig. Shout outs to my sister-in-law Lori, my twin brother-in-law's wife. This is she bought a whole bunch of green tea, celestial seasonings. So this is zoomed in so you can see and you can pause as necessary. And so we're opening this. We're going to open this. Yeah, there it is. Let me see if you can see what it. Yeah. Yep. Customized tip, multi-stream technology. I get this. I spoke to her about this. Oh, let's zoom back out. I spoke to Lori about this because well, that's nice. I spoke to her about that. Oh, that's interesting. I spoke to her about this because I wanted to see if I could use it for noodles and just instant water, because I don't actually buy Keurig cups. I like tea bags, and you know, I'm certain my favorite company, Twinings, probably makes Keurig too. So we're going to open it. Hello, welcome to the Keurig family. Oh, wow, did you see that? Welcome to the Keurig family. Hello. Wow, we share your love for coffee, and well, see, I don't like coffee. But anyways, here's your fit. You can find 50% off. Visit that for 50% off beverages. Find your perfect pod with over 75 brands. So we're just opening up, unboxing. New design, my cup. Ooh. What's this? This is a water filter instructions for use in brewers with side loaded. Oh, that's cool. Oh, so it filters water. That's cute. What is this? Keurig. Whoops, sorry y'all. No, this is a water filter. This is a water filter. This right here is, the camera's upside down. Interesting. Maybe I can turn up a little bit more. Maybe. Yeah, this that's better. This is whatever. Oh, let me turn on the light. Yeah, let me drop the light down. See if this changes anything. Okay. This is I don't know what this is. Soak for 55 seconds. Replace 2 months or every 60 tank refills. Okay, so it's actually a water filter thing. That's cute. I won't need to do that because I actually put filtered water in there. But that's really, really nice. And this is a lot bigger. This is actually a lot bigger than I thought. This is actually way bigger than I thought. Oh, wow. I thought this was going to be small, guys. I actually thought this was going to be small. But it does fit where I'm looking for. So, that's awesome. Oh, this Ricola's got something on the inside. Well, this is it, y'all. This looks great. And there's the pitcher thing. Well, that's cool too. Hand wash only. Well, that's it. That's all that's in the box. That's really nice that it all comes pre-assembled though. But that's good. So I don't think I'll need to do the water filter. Only for the sake that I put filtered water. I only use filtered water anyway. So it's already, I got a pure water filter. But this is not, I keep holding it like this. This is the front, guys. This is neat. And there's a little thing that you sit it on. Oh, that's so cute. Almost reminds me of an expensive version. Remember the first time I saw this was when my mother and I were traveling. We were traveling somewhere, and I'm not sure where it was, and I saw a really, really, really small one where we stuck it in and did a single cup. But anyways, I love y'all. Live, move, be. This is awesome.